The enterotube is a composite of 15 different tests done on 12 media. The upper tube has not been inoculated and shows the various tests, which have been labeled. Let's look at the results of the various tests. First, let's start out on the left-hand side by the blue cap. The test is glucose fermentation and the color change is from red to yellow. The test is covered by a wax layer that provides for conditions that will trap any gas that is evolved. This compartment indicates that there was no fermentation. The yellow color indicates that acid has been produced. Lifting of the wax indicates the production of gas. Look for a pocket or a mirrored surface to indicate a positive result for gas. There are 6 different carbohydrates that will provide a positive result with a color change to yellow from the original reddish orange. A modification of the color to a bright red is caused by deamination and is a negative result. The second and third chambers will turn a deep purple for a positive result. The fourth chamber has a medium that will indicate sulfur reduction by the presence of a black color. The ninth chamber provides for a double test of deutesytol, which gives a positive test as a sugar, or phenylalanine, which gives a positive test of a dark brown color. This chamber can be positive for either test, but not for both. The next to the last chamber will provide a bright pink color for a positive test. This is a positive urea test. The last chamber will turn a brilliant blue for a positive test. This is a positive citrate test. The remaining tests are visualized by the addition of reagents. Adding Kovacs solution to chamber 4 or Barrett's A and B to chamber 9 can react with a chemical that is produced by the bacterium. A negative reaction is shown by no color change, while a positive reaction is shown by a change to a red color by the reagent. Let's see how to read one of these tubes after it has been inoculated. The first chamber is positive for glucose, and inspecting the wax layer, a lifting of the layer is visible. Therefore, this is positive for gas. There is a black coloration for sulfur reduction, a dark brown color for phenylalanine, and a pink coloration for urea reduction. Adding the Kovacs solution caused a cherry red color to form, which is a positive result for indole production. Now, we add up the numbers of the positive results and come up with 2 plus 1 equals 3, then 1, then 4, then 0, and finally 4 plus 2 equals 6. So we look up the 5-digit code of 31406 in the Biocode book, and we come up with the identification of Proteus vulgaris. Reading the enterotube requires understanding of the changes that occur in each of the compartments of the tubes to determine the final result.